I'll turn you back round in a minute for the POV. But that's the tree picture in the bag. So now we're going to stroll back to our bird feeding location. Top those up because they are empty. And with all the rain we've had, the birds will need all the little supplementary bits of food they can get right now, because a lot of the bugs and stuff will have been washed away. Right, so that's what we're going to do next. So let me turn you off again, pop you back on here, and then we'll get going again.
During the meanwhilest.
During the meanwhilest?
No.
Oh, well, hello. It is. It's pup number 2 and me. There she is, in the distance. And we're coming down, as usual, to our little bit of heaven down in the woods. And the reason being, if you remember, and I'll explain the camera angle in a bit as well. If you remember, a couple of weeks ago I came down here and I wanted to take a picture of a tree, but I didn't have a wide enough angle lens. Well, today I've come down with 2 lenses. I've got my 10-24 Fuji X4 f4 X mount, and I got my Viltrox 23mm f1.4 prime. And the idea is to get the picture of the tree that I want. I did get one of sorts the other day with my Nikon D700 and the 17-35, and I'll pop that up on screen now. But I want to come down and get one from the other side. It is a little bit scruffy and untidy, with lots of like undergrowth and crisscrossing branches, but we'll see if you can make the best of it. Right then, this camera angle. I figured you might like a POV trip down with me. It's going to be a bit stop-start because, as most of you know, I can't walk that far without stopping. So every 20 or so yards, 20-30 meters, whatever, I've got to stop and have a little breather. But there's lovely things to see around. Look at that. Look at the bark on that. Is it silver birch? Is that birch? I don't know. But isn't that really nice? Of course, I don't have my macro lens with me today, but I have got my phone and my little macro attachment. So maybe if we see anything of interest, I can grab it with that. One thing we've seen already, there's a great big buddleia bush growing on some waste ground at the bottom of our road. And there was a lovely, I think it's a comma, is it, butterfly? Nice orange anyway, gorgeous thing. So I got some pictures of that with my 100-400. And I think Bethan managed to get pretty close with her macro as well before it got spooked and flew off. So what we're going to do now though is get down, take a picture of this tree and anything else that piques my interest, and fill the bird feeders. I'm talking to the camera. Yeah. Right. Long-tailed tits are there? Oh, cool. Where? All around? Oh, Bethan's favourite bird, the long-tailed tit. She'll be happy now. Right then. Yeah, we are going to fill our bird feeders as well. We probably do that on the way back. But yeah, I'll shut up for now. And you can just have a peaceful stroll down the woodland with me over all this mud. Right, I'll shut up. Very muddy, Bethan, isn't it? Good job he didn't bring Dexter. You'd have been carrying him over all the mud. Oh, you can hear the long-tailed tits. That little chirpy, cheep, cheep sound they make. Right. I often think that this might make a nice image one day, like the sort of tunnel effect. I've tried before. Maybe now I've got the right lens, and I can get past this holly bush. Maybe I'll try again on the way back. Now I'll do it now. We'll get to the furthest point, take our picture, and then get this on the way back, I think. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think we'll be all right. Like a foxhole or something there. Hmm? Yeah, last night we saw a fox on our road at about, was it about 8 o'clock, Betha? Yeah. And he walked on the road past the front of our house and stopped as there was a car coming, and he turned around and he walked right over our lawn, our front lawn. There's no evidence of him stopping to have a poo this morning, though. Fox poo is not a pleasant thing. But anyway, Dexter didn't see him or her, wherever the fox was, but he could obviously sense that it was there because he was just growling and snarling away in the background. I think had he seen it, he would have been uncontrollable, probably. After all, it's in his DNA. That's what they're bred for, isn't it? For sort of rooting out foxes and unfortunately killing them. But there we are. He's never done anything like that in his little life. So peaceful, don't you? Yeah, we'll go and get this picture I want. Then we'll fill our feeder and perhaps sit there for a bit. You can have the long lens if you want. Should have brought your 70-300, shouldn't you? But there you go. Hey ho, never mind. You can have this one. I'm going to go down this way, I think. Or am I? No, it looks a bit too steep. No, we'll go around. We'll go around. You know, down this way, chicks. Your leg hurts. Yeah? Come on, you can go through it first. I did. The perils have been an adventure, I see. Right then. I guess up this way. I need to go on the top or the middle path to find this tree. Is it that one? Yeah. Right then. Here we are. I'm just going to go the other side though. And I shot it from this side the other day, and I'll pop that picture up again. Why not, eh? I shot it from this side, but I'm gonna go the other side now. Bethan's looking for mushrooms, I think, and other such things. You'd think, I mean, look how damp it is down here and like humid. You'd think we'd have like loads and loads of them. And 2 years ago we did. Right, then I'm going to have to put you down in a second. And the camera is mounted to my camera bag. So I'm going to have to put you down to take this picture. And then once it's done, I'll put you back up. But that's what I'm looking at. It is a little bit scruffy, but you can see like the main sort of shapes of the tree there. Nice ferns in front of it. If I can kind of like try and isolate those, it might make for a reasonable image. We'll have a go now. Right, now I'm going to have to turn you off for a second. Right then, are you on? Are you pointing in the right direction? Because I can't really tell, because I can't see the screen from here. But let's get home, and anyway, let's have a look. Oh God, at this shot together. It'll be the first time I'm seeing it, and you can see it at the same time as me. Well, I'm not having much at the moment, because now my back is starting to. Oh, do you know? No, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to grumble. I'm just going to put up with it. Right. Did you see any mushrooms? No? I'm going to go up this way. Pardon? I can't hear you. Let's go up this way with me. I think I might pitch this to some production company. Stroll along with During the Meanwhile diet. An absolute snail's pace. There's a lovely tree there, just in front of us now. Isn't that nice? Lovely shapes. I'm not gonna photograph that now. I might grab on my camera actually. I'm gonna grab a camera pick. Let's go ultra wide. No, I think
that looks perfect.
Yeah, it also looks perfect for snapping off in mid-dangle, and then me having to wait at the top of the road while an ambulance comes for you. Right. Oh, this is a bit steeper than I thought. Oh God. Right, hang on. Sometimes the best way is just to head down and go for it. Oh lordy. Oh, this is a mistake. Right, oh Christ.
You were taking us both out there.
You are?
You were taking us both.
Yeah, you're right. I would have taken us both out. What's that police song called? Don't stand so close to me. Don't stand so. Oh God. Right then, up there is where our bird feeders are. Oh, something. I think it's a bird. I can't tell what it is from here. Looks like a nuthatch. The way it's behaving. Obviously, we're not going to go up there. We'll go round. And then I'll, on the way out, I'll grab this picture facing back down into the woods. What have you seen now?
There's the smallest little tiny fly.
Oh, right, cool. You get it? Hmm? Don't you get it from this side?
Yeah, he went this side and then... Oh, well,
He's gone.
He was like directly on top, he was just like walking along.
All right. He was a walk, not a fly. See the benefits of having young eyes? I wouldn't have seen that in a million years. I do have to wear glasses now for seeing, you know, for reading. Does that make me long-sighted or short-sighted? I don't know. One of the two. I'm something sighted, so I need glasses to read. Oh, I hope you haven't broken that branch off, because I went to get a picture. Oh. All right. That's my daughter ruining the landscape. All these things I preach to you about, you know, never compromise, you know, a scene by removing stuff, you know, all these things. And then she goes and does that. Unbelievable. Right then. Let's go and feed these birds. And let's try not to kill anything, is it? On the way. Right then, you've been down here with us loads of times, haven't you? So you know the score down here, but I'll still take you along. Let me know in the comments on a score on a scale of 1 to a gazillion how utterly tedious this footage is. That's a nice piece of wood. You can't, I don't think you can see it, but I'll grab a picture with my phone. Nice that. I'll be covered in mushrooms maybe one day. Gotta be honest, I've had this iPhone 15 Pro Max a year now. Pretty well exactly a year. I bought it when they just came out, and the cameras on it are just out of this world. Out of this world. And you think how quickly we've come from like the very first, you know, camera phones. What were they, like VGA resolution, like 240 by 240, something like that. And now we've got 48 megapixel cameras. Absolutely bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. And then you've got all the power then of like computational photography behind it. And, yeah. It's a wonderful thing. Here we are at the bird feeders, and I'm gonna have to put you down again now, because oh no, I won't, no, because all the feed is in Bethan's rucksack. So the excitement now of watching us fill some bird feeders. Do you know what? If Sony's watching this, where's the award? Come on, Sony. You know you want to. Right. Right then, come here then, because I need to get bird food out. You going to do the top bit? Got some peanuts, got fat balls, and there's the suet for you. peanuts up for them as well. I know some of them fall on the floor, but the ground feeders and the squirrels can mop them up. Earlier this year, we dubbed this place Nut Hatch Woods because every time we came down here, that's all we would see would be like nut hatches. At least 4 or 5 pairs of them. And like this tree here. So I'll put some there you go, full of nuts. Squirrel have them anyway, probably. You sit up there for a bit? Do you want this lens? Are you sure? I don't mind. Right then. Right then, I'm going to sit down for a few minutes and see what birds come along. Not even I'm going to bore you to tears with that.
Alcoholic kind of mood. Lose my clothes, lose my lube. Cruising for a piece of fun. Looking out for number one. Different partner every night. So narcotic, out of sight. What a guess, what a beautiful ass. And it all breaks down, the role reversal. Got the music in my head. She's universal, spinning me round. She's coming over me. And it all breaks down at the first rehearsal. Got the music in my head. She's universal, spinning me round. She's coming over me. Kind of buzz that lasts for days. Had some help from insect ways. Comes across all shy coy. Just another Nancy boy. Woman, man, a modern monkey. Just another happy junkie. 50-pound, press my button, going down. And it all breaks down, the role reversal. Got the music in my head. She's universal.